This video will watch the best ratings for kids' wall hanging Xmas gifts from over 2,536 customer reviews. Kids DIY felt Christmas tree plus 26 pieces detachable ornaments, Santa, Christmas hat, Christmas socks, snowman, candy, and bells, etc. Great decorative hanging ornaments for Christmas decorations. 3 feet tall DIY wall Christmas tree is made of a 3 mm thick felt, which is durable. It can be hung easily on any surface with a sturdy strap for kids to reach and play. Easy to play. The felt Christmas tree for kids' wall could inspire your kids' imagination and creativity and cultivate their hand-eye coordination. It will be the perfect gift for Christmas to your little toddler. New Year's most wanted novelty Christmas decorations for kids, popular trending on social media. Perfect for Christmas parties, home, kids' room, nursery, classroom, living room, fridge, wall or door hanging decor. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.